What happens when Xiaomi throws everything at a phone? You get the 15 Ultra, a titanium-clad camera-wielding beast that's here to dethrone Samsung, outshine Apple, and maybe even replace your DSLR. Buckle up, we're diving deep. The unboxing feels luxe. Titanium frame, ceramic back, and Xiaomi's signature orange accents. At 8.5 mm thick and 225G, it's hefty, but that camera island screams, I mean business. This isn't a camera bump, it's a camera continent. But hey, genius needs space. Xiaomi's LTPO4 panel is stunning. Sunlight readability, flawless. Colors, chef's kiss. And the Dolby Vision support turns Netflix into a cinema. These speakers hit harder than my gym playlist. Sorry iPhone. No more tinny audio. Benchmarks? 2.1 million on Antutu. Translation? This thing flies. Even Genshin Impact at 120 FPS doesn't make it sweat. Warm but not throttle city. MIUI 15 is Xiaomi's cleanest skin yet. Customizable? Yes. Annoying? Finally, no. The 1-inch sensor eats darkness. iPhone's night shots look like they're wearing foggy glasses. Crystal clear at 200x, you're basically playing Where's Waldo, but hey, spy's got a spy. Leica's tuning makes every shot look like a magazine cover, and the 8K 30 FPS video, butter meets razor sharp. Content creators, this front cam sees you, literally. The AI tracks your face like a hawk. Set to full while you brew coffee, and with 8.5 hours of screen time, you'll drain your eyes before the battery. Let's talk about pros and cons. Pros: 1. Best smartphone camera system in 2025. 2. Desktop-grade performance plus insane cooling. 3. No bloatware, no lag. MIUI finally grows up. Cons number 1. No IP68 rating. IP64 is meh for $1,600. 2. Heavy F, your pinky will protest. 3. Still no US carrier love. RIP Americans. If you're outside the US and want a DSLR and a flagship phone in one, this is it. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra isn't just a phone, it's a flex. For photographers, power users, or anyone tired of Apple and Samsung's baby steps, this is your wake-up call. Is it perfect? No. Is it the most exciting phone of 2025? If you drop this beast, smash like, ring that bell, and let me know. Xiaomi or Apple.